In today's climate, buildings face threats they were never designed to withstand: intensifying storms, heat waves, and floods that are pushing structures to their limits. Most were built using outdated weather data, leaving them vulnerable to failure. Global Encasements offers a proactive solution with its seamless green coating technology that protects against wind, water, UV damage, and even hazardous materials. Unlike traditional methods, GEI coatings are non-toxic, energy efficient, and extend building life-saving property owners up to 75% on future repair costs. In a world of climate uncertainty, GEI provides the encasements your building needs to survive and thrive. Contact Global Encasement today, because in a world where no place is safe from nature's fury, protecting your property isn't just smart, it's essential.